Crawdad Projects back at you with 3 more packs. Pack 1. Some wacky packs. Barfield. Perez. Tattoo Skins. Scumby. Busco. Pack 2. Pack 2. Slam Sloan. We don't want none. Rappin' Ruth. Half Nelson. Beastie Boyd. Dwight Bite, Silver. Keith Out. Tommy Tome. Grangler Angela. Pack 3. Stormy Heather. Potty Scotty. Looking for a winner. Leaky Lindsay. Scalp Ralph. Valerie Vomit. Jan Hand. Florida. Bushy Bernice. That's it.